Hey family, thank you for clicking this video. Listen, just go ahead and share, comment, like, subscribe. You know what to do, alright? Hit that post notification. Listen, we have some good contents over here, so thank you for stopping by. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and share this with a friend, family, or loved one. Just share, alright? Share, comment, subscribe. And yeah, we're looking to do a lot more over on this channel, so just stick around for it. Thank you, alright?
I shall rise and I shall be, I shall go in victory. No weapon formed against me will ever overtake me. No, 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 no. I shall rise, I shall be, I shall go in victory. No weapon formed against me will ever overtake me. No, 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 no. And because God is the greatest power, we shall never, never be defeated. Never be defeated, no. We shall never be defeated, yeah. Listen, the devil is a liar, God is exalted. Never be defeated, never be defeated, yeah. The devil is a liar, God is exalted. Never be defeated, no, no, no. We shall never be defeated, no, no, no. The devil is a liar, God is exalted. Never be defeated, never be defeated, no. The devil is a liar, my God is exalted. Never be defeated, no, never be defeated. I said the devil is a liar, my God is exalted. Never be defeated, oh, and because God is the greatest power, we shall never, never be defeated. No, 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 no. And because God is the greatest power, we shall never, never be defeated. No, 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 no. Never be defeated. No matter what the devil tries, we shall never be defeated. Never be defeated, never be defeated.
Like Joseph never stay. Yeah, we hot right now. Fire in the kitchen and the pot right now. Bricks on bricks on the chat right now. Give me word on word to the max right now. Anointing taps right now. Hope I got the message, the box right now.